Except mechanical locks, real locks has started to integrate electronic and mechanical systems. At the beginning, the biggest transportation company in Taiwan found Rio. They requested Rio to find an electronic solution for saving a time to open the key for drivers. As you know, most of drivers don't like to use the key, especially when they carry a very heavy goods. So, Real locks design the mechanical and electronic integrated locks for the biggest transportation company in Taiwan and set up a very strong database in logistics and transportation industry. After that, Isuzu, the famous Japanese company, subsidiaries ICL, has started to cooperate with Real locks. This is remote control cargo locks. It's very easy use for drivers. It's just put on the remote control and easy to open the bar. And when you want to lock the lock, just put down the bar and it locks automatically. And in case the remote control is low battery or no battery, just use the real key to open the locks for any emergency use. So it's double mechanical use. Actually, we designed 1-to-1, 1-to-2, and 1-to-3 systems. 1-to-1 system is the lock is only installed on the back doors. That is one. And for 1-to-2 system, one lock is installed on the back door, and the other one is installed on the side door. For 1-to-3 systems, one more lock is installed on the cabin. So it's very easy to control 1 or 2 or 3 locks only by one remote control. It's very easy and convenient way for drivers. And if you have any questions, please email me to info@reallock.com, info@reallock.com. I'm Beatrice Ho. Thank you.